All right, I'm gonna tell y'all about 5 different programs, maybe 5 to 6 programs on how you can make that extra money by just reading emails. The good thing about this program, guys, is they pay you daily. You get paid daily, and you got to at least
baby, don't check for me.
Well, hey, boss up babies. Have you guys bossed up today? If you haven't bossed up today, then what are you doing? We're the boss up babies around here. We boss up, we get it in, and we get it done. Yes, we do. Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, this is Mama Cutie Finance. I am a college professor, but here on YouTube, I help you guys boss up in your daily life by giving you guys good information on how to make that extra money, save money, and just do good for yourself. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit the like button down below because you're going to be helping someone else out on making extra money. Let's spread the love. Let's spread it, because when you hit that like button, you're going to be spreading the love and helping somebody else out, giving somebody else a blessing. So let's get started today on how to make this easy money. Guys, the first one I'm going to talk about is a rewards program. It's a free account you sign up for. It doesn't cost you any money. It actually will give you $5 for just signing up. And the name of this program, guys, is called InboxDollars. And all you do is sign up for the program. And when you sign up for the program, they will send you emails to read. It could be about your favorite products. The emails can consist of anything, guys. You read the emails, cha-ching, you get paid. Okay, guys, the second program I have for you today is another rewards program. Now, you have to download this one on your app. It's really, really good, guys. All you do is download on your app. Make sure you turn your notifications on because, yes, they will be blowing your notifications up with reading these emails. And guys, the good thing about this next program right here, you get to shop online, you get to read emails, you get to do a whole bunch of more exciting things with this program. And this program is called Swagbucks. So you guys go and check out Swagbucks. You can redeem your points with cash. You can redeem it with big retailers. So that means, yes, you can go shopping. You can redeem your points with PayPal, Cash App. You can either redeem your points with Amazon. So it's like, it's not limited, because sometimes people might not want cash back. You might want to go shopping like myself, you know what I'm saying? So you can redeem your points and go shopping with your extra money. But y'all remember now, you got to save too, because to build that wealth, you got to save your money so that way you can create a system of getting passive income. And that's how you're going to build wealth, because we boss up around here, right? We the boss up babies. And you know we got to get that money going and saving it. Yes, we do. Good thing about Swagbucks, guys, you don't have to worry about putting your credit card in or anything because they have a point system. And it's so easy, guys. You just go on there, you shop online, you rate good movies, you read emails. I mean, you can just do this in your spare time and make that money, honey. And guess what? Swagbucks is free to sign up. You know what? It's free to sign up, y'all, and they pay you $10 just to sign up. So y'all gonna get that money. Another program I'm gonna give you is really, really good. You can shop online as well to get paid, but you can also refer friends. Just referring friends, guys, you can get up to $200 just referring a friend to this program. You can just easily watch videos in your spare time. So if you like videos, guys, you can sit down and get paid just from watching videos. And this program right here is called MyPoints. Y'all go sign up for MyPoints and get paid. And the good thing, guys, about MyPoints, they have a bonus program. The bonus program is what you read in the emails. The other programs I just gave y'all, that's something extra, so you get paid double. MyPoints too, it has a rewards point system where when you get all your money and stuff, you get your money back through Visa cards. You can actually travel too. You can accumulate travel points. If you want to just start planning your vacations, you can actually get travel points with MyPoints. You can use them in over 70 retailers. It's a lot of different ways that you can get your money. And if you just want cash back, they'll give you cash back on Cash App and PayPal. So cha-ching, let's sign up to MyPoints and get that money, honey. Another great program, guys, that you can register for is InboxPays. This is like a market and research company, and you get paid from like your opinions on stuff, rating stuff. All you have to do is just sit up and just answer questions and be honest about it, and you guys get paid for that. They also have a program where you read emails and get paid too, but the only thing about this program is they limit you to $25. But with the market and research, with you answering different questions, they don't limit you to $25 with that program. And Inbox pays all of their clients on the 1st and 15th of each month. Okay, guys, so you'll get paid on the 1st and the 15th of each month. You'll be able to get your money back. You'll be able to get your money that you earned. Also, guys, you can get free money from referring friends to the program. The more friends you tell about the program, the more you'll get paid from that program. Guys, the next one that you can make, the next company that you can make money, easy money, is called FusionCash. And this is a platform where you can make money just completing offers. Again, taking surveys, watching movies, shopping, sitting back, chilling in your spare time. You can, instead of just sitting on the couch, watching YouTube, looking at everybody's stuff, you guys can be sitting up watching videos and making money instead of sitting up watching YouTube for free on all these other gossip channels. Y'all, let's come on, make that money. And this program also pays you $5 to sign up. So when you sign up, you get $5. They paying you to sign up. They paying you to come get this free money. So why not get this easy money, honey? Also, babies, are y'all ready to make some daily cash? Let me tell y'all, y'all can read emails every day, but you got to read enough to make at least $25, because this company right here, guys, the minimum is $25. So you got to read enough emails to make $25, and it's called daily cash emails. You read them emails, they will send you cash daily. You can get paid through PayPal, Cash Apps, or rewards program. However you will get paid, but as long as you make that $25 minimum, you can get paid $25 from them every single day. Now, I ain't trying to knock your hustle, but if you can read more and get more than $25, why not? Go ahead and do it. The good thing about this program, guys, is they pay you daily. You get paid daily, and you got to at least read enough emails to make $25. Okay, guys, we have reached the end of the video. I hope this has helped someone. Make sure that you go ahead and check out all these programs that I shared to you, and make sure you share them with other people and like this video. Remember, guys, I come on Monday through Thursday and Saturdays. I'm trying to be really consistent, and I want you guys to help me grow this channel so we can all grow together and boss up, baby. Until then, guys, I want you to stay prayed up and bossed up, baby.